because new year, new makeup, same me. Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. And if you're new, what up? So today is going to be a makeup haul, a collective makeup haul. Y'all said in my last video, my last haul that I did, that y'all like makeup hauls, so I'm bringing y'all another one. This is from my birthday, Christmas gift cards that I had, just random buying. I ended up with all that stuff that y'all see on my bed right now. I don't think it's a lot. I don't think it's that much because it could have been worse, you know. I actually did buy some Urban Decay stuff that I'm not going to include in this video because I'm going to do a whole video just dedicated to that Urban Decay stuff. So I'm not going to include that in this video, but I have some things that I ordered from Colourpop, some things that I got from Morphe, Ulta, Target. Yeah, that's it. We just gonna get right into it. So I got a couple things off of the Morphe website because they were having like their after New Year's sale where, you know, stuff was like 50% off and cheaper. So I did decide to go ahead and get some things that I had saw that I wanted, but I was like, I really don't need it. But then when I saw it on sale, I was like, okay, I really need it now. So yeah, that's what I did. So the first thing I got was the 15D Day Slayer Artistry Palette. This was on sale for 50% off, and this is basically just a neutral everyday palette. But I got this because one of my plans this year is to go on more weekend out-of-town trips, and I'm going to need a sturdy palette. This packaging is super sturdy actually, and then it comes with a big old mirror at the top, and then these are the shades. So they are very basic, everyday, warm, neutral, my type of color shades. So like I said, my plan is to go on more weekend trips. So I will be taking this type of palette with me because I don't have to worry about it breaking. It's neutral enough for me to use all the time. I don't have to worry about anything. And then I could just bring like some single glitter eyeshadows or whatever if I want to do anything special. So that was the plan behind that palette. Probably didn't need it. Oh well, it's here now. So the next thing I got was this Kiss List 6-piece lip collection from Morphe, and this was on sale as well. And reading is essential, kids, because when I first initially ordered this lip set, I thought it was all lip glosses. Y'all know I love lip glosses, but it's actually 3 liquid lipsticks and 3 lip glosses. And it's crazy because I had went in Ulta, but right before I purchased this, I had went in Ulta and I was about to buy 2 full-size liquid lipsticks of True Story and Taunt, which are in this collection. So I'm glad I talked myself out of getting them. I didn't get them, and I'm glad because they're in this goddamn set. So, and they're in a little mini size, so I get to try them out and see how I like them. I actually already like Morphe's liquid lipstick formula. So it comes with like a mauve liquid lipstick, a brown, a peachy nude, a glittery lip gloss, a mauve nude lip gloss, and then a pinky nude lip gloss. So it's right up my alley with the nudes and everything. So I really like this set, and it was on sale for like $14.50, down from like $20 something. So, and then I wanted to try out their Equalizer foundation primer. I saw a girl, she was doing a chit chat get ready with me, and she talked about this primer. She has oily skin, and she talked about this primer and that it was actually a really good primer for combating her oils and everything. So I wanted to go ahead and try it out. Wow, it's like oozing out of the package. Okay, just wasting product. So we just wasted all that product. Great. Okay, so it's more of like a silicone consistency, but it actually feels kind of jelly. It feels a little bit thicker than silicone. It actually feels like a gel. So maybe that's why it's really good at controlling oils. I need a paper towel. So the very last thing that I got from Morphe was a palette. I wasn't gonna get this palette. I have never been interested in any of Morphe's big palettes, like the 39A, I believe it was called, that first came out, and then the James Charles. I just was not interested in any of their super big palettes until this one came out, and I was like, wow, it's speaking to me. It's so gorgeous. I used to see it in Ulta, and I wanted to pick it up, and then I just kept talking myself out of it, like, you don't need it. But when I saw it was on sale, I went ahead and got it. So this is the 39L Hit the Lights eyeshadow palette. And I think the main reason why I got this palette, y'all probably know the main reason why I got this palette. If y'all have seen this palette, then y'all already know the main reason why I got this palette. So it comes with pressed glitters. It comes with 2 pressed glitters. You have a gold one, and then you have a silver one, and then this big row of eyeshadows right here, those are like topper eyeshadows to make your eyeshadows glisten and sparkle a little bit more, give it a little bit more dimension and everything. You have these neon colors right here that'll be super fun for the summertime. Do that little neon pop of color in the inner corner of your eye trend that was going on. This purple is so gorgeous. I love that purple. But those pressed glitters just got me. I saw a couple of people use those pressed glitters in their palette and it just got me. So yeah, apparently I needed this palette. It was on sale. It was on sale, you guys. Okay, so moving on, I'm going to do Colourpop now. Y'all know that's my brand. That brand has my heart. The stuff that I got is not new. I'm late to the bandwagon with this stuff, but who cares? So I did go ahead and re-up on my lippy balm. This is the lippy balm in By the Bushel. This is actually the strawberry scented one. I just wanted to give a different scent a try, so I went ahead and re-upped on that one. The Colourpop lippy balm is so good. If you've never tried it, it's really moisturizing, like super moisturizing. What? I had to stop for a snack. Okay, so then if you've been watching my videos, then you already know that I've been kind of having an issue with dry skin. My skin is being really weird. It's still kind of oily, but I've been having issues with dry spots on my face. So I decided to go ahead and get the Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Acid Primer. So again, this isn't super new, but this is what it looks like. Everyone says that this is actually really good. It's nice and moisturizing and it feels hydrating on their skin. So I just wanted to try out a hydrating primer underneath like a more mattifying foundation and see if the combination of those two would help to work for my skin. So that's why I got this to go ahead and test out, and we shall see. I will definitely be reporting back to you guys on this. Then I got the Whatever palette. I don't know why I didn't pick this up when it first came out, like when it first dropped, because this is such a pretty eyeshadow palette. It's definitely up my alley. It has warm tones, it has some pinky shades in there, some berries, a glitter. It's really pretty. It's a really pretty palette. It's a really pretty palette. I don't know why I didn't pick it up when I first saw it. And then it has a Super Shock shadow in here, which their Super Shock shadows have my heart, but I got it now and that's what it is. And then I picked up 3 of the lip glosses. So I have Are We Done, which is like a mauve kind of pinky type of dark color. Then we have Lesson Learned, which is more of like a nude, more of like a pinky nude. And then we have Crushing, which is more of like a dark lavender mauve type of color. So I thought these lip glosses would be cute to go with that palette, and y'all know I just love my lip glosses. So, and then I picked up 3 of their Jelly Much eyeshadows from their Butterfly collection. I love the Jelly Much eyeshadows. You guys know this. They were in my 2019 favorites. I love them. So this one is in Hoot and Holler. And this one is basically like a rose gold, and it has gold shimmer in it. Ugh, so pretty. So pretty. Perfect shade for the fall. Put like some dark mauve berries in your crease and then put this on the lid. Listen. And then I got, which one is this one? This one is Early Birdie. So this one is more of like a gold. This one is so pretty. It's like a yellow gold, but it has some like pinky shimmers in there. So pretty. So pretty. And the last one I got is called Buttercup, and I think this one is my favorite out of all of them, just because this one is more of like a silver clear iridescent color, but when you put it on, it has a bunch of different reflex. So I see yellow, I see pink, I see purple. It has a bunch of reflex in it. So this is so pretty. Super pretty. So that was everything I got from Colourpop. So now we're going to move on to the stuff that I got from Target. It's not a whole lot. After that, it's Ulta, and that's it. I only picked up 3 things from Target. I just randomly walked in there during lunch and I just needed to buy something. So, but they did have the new e.l.f. products in there. So I got another e.l.f. putty primer. So this is the matte putty primer, and this one says it's infused with kaolin clay and white charcoal. So I'm wondering how good this one is going to be, because I remember when I first talked about the e.l.f. putty primer in my favorites video, I was like, this putty primer is so good at smoothing your skin and making your skin look flawless and like you have a filter on, but it doesn't do much for oil controlling. And I remember specifically saying that, and then e.l.f. came out with this matte putty primer. So we shall see how good this one is at controlling my oils as well as smoothing it out. I might do a little half and half wear test where I do half of the original putty primer and then half of the matte, and we see how my face does with both of those. If y'all would be interested in that video, let me know in the comments below. So then I also picked up the NYX Bear With Me Prime Set and Refresh Multitasking Spray. Again, when I be watching these girls on YouTube with oily skin and they recommend a product, yo, when I see it in store, I'll be like, I gotta pick it up because she recommended it. She said it was good. She got oily skin. I gotta see what's up. So that's how that happened. And then I got the CoverGirl Exhibitionist mascara because I've seen a lot of people talk about this mascara and I just wanted to pick up a new mascara. It's almost time for me to pick up a new one because I hate when my mascaras get dried out. I like a more wet formula mascara. So when they start getting dried out, even if I've only had it for like a month and a half, I be ready to chuck it. I don't care about that 3 month, 6 month period. You can keep mascaras. I'll be ready to chuck it after a month and a half. So I thought it was about time for me to go ahead and pick up a new mascara. You know what, y'all? I actually forgot one other thing that I got from Morphe, and it was a brush. I had picked up the Morphe E27 blending eyeshadow brush. If you know, then you know I love the Morphe E23. It looks exactly like this, except it's a lot bigger. And that is the brush that I use for my crease all the time. I don't know where she is. She's on break right now, but that is my favorite like crease blending eyeshadow brush. And this one is just a smaller version of that. I saw Manny MUA using it, so I wanted to go ahead and get it because I love my crease work. My crease work, I feel, is the most important work. Like your lid can look good, but if your crease ain't up to par, I just feel like all right, so the rest of this stuff is from Ulta and it's kind of random, but not really. So I did pick up the Maybelline Total Temptation Brow Definer in medium brown because I've seen a lot of people say that this is very comparable to the Benefit Goof Proof Brow Pencil, which you guys know I use. My vanity is a mess, so I can't find anything on it. Here it is. So you guys know I use this one, and this is a cheaper alternative, so I just wanted to go ahead and get this one and try it out and compare it to the Benefit Brow Definer because I know I'm getting close to running out of this one, and when I do run out of it, I really don't want to pay like $20-something for it. Like, I really don't. So if this is a good dupe, then we're in there. So yeah, I got that. And then I also got the Maybelline Ultra Slim Brow Pencil because I got this one to go ahead and replace my Benefit what is it, the Slim Brow Pencil that I be using. So I got this one as well. And if I can use both of these products because they're both a dupe for those two Benefit products, then yo, I just came out way cheaper. Way cheaper. So I'm gonna give these two products a go. I just wanted to show them to you guys first before I busted them open. So we shall see if they work. So then I also got the NYX Born to Glow Naturally Radiant Foundation as well as the NYX Born to Glow Radiant Concealer. Because again, I've seen a couple oily skin people raving about this and how good their skin looks, and how if you just use a mattifying primer and you go ahead and powder a little bit, then you're good to go with this. But it makes your skin look so flawless and natural and healthy and glowy. So I wanted to try these out and see how I like them. So I got the foundation in Warm Mahogany, which is the shade that I'm in the Can't Stop Won't Stop. Actually, I might be a shade lighter because like I said, I've gotten super light this winter. I don't know what it is, but I've gotten super light. So the shade Warm Mahogany might be a little bit dark for me right now, but we're gonna be going into spring and all of that, so I can probably get away with using these for now and then start using them more heavily when I start getting a little bit more sun. So oh, and in the concealer, I got the shade, I got the shade Golden in the concealer, which is also the concealer shade that I use in the Can't Stop Won't Stop. So I got some Catrice products because I've seen people raving about these, like especially in people's 2019 makeup favorites videos. I saw people raving about their primer and their setting spray. So I got the Prime and Fine Pore Refining Anti-Shine Base, and it says keep me matte long lasting. So I've seen people rave about this, so I wanted to give that a go. And then I also got the Matte Finish Prime and Fine Anti-Shine Fixing Spray. So yeah, didn't need any more primers or any more sprays, but you know how it goes. I also got another setting spray. This is the Maybelline New York Lasting Fix up to 16-hour wear matte finish setting spray. I've seen people rave about this one as well. It has really good reviews on Ulta, so I just wanted to go ahead and try that out. I saw it when I was in Ulta, picked it up. Here we are. I also got this from Catrice. This is the Catrice X Iman blush palette. So when I see a blush palette that's gonna work on my skin tone, I always want to grab it because I feel like blush is not something that I buy a lot of, just because I don't feel like there's a lot of blush products out there for darker skin tones. But this one, look at those beautiful colors. This reminds me so much of the e.l.f. blush palette in dark. These colors would be perfect on darker skin, okay? So I had to go ahead and pick it up. It comes with a nice little mirror, and I forgot how much this was, but it was super cheap, you guys. I think I bought this for $5.99. This was super cheap, so I just wanted to go ahead and pick it up and give it a try. And then I also bought this Makeup Revolution Bake and Blot Powder. This is in the shade Banana Deep. I'm almost out of my NYX HD Banana Setting Powder, and when I run out of that, I wanted to start using this one. This was actually on clearance at Ulta for like $3.99, so I decided to just go ahead and pick it up so I could have it on standby once I'm done with my NYX one, because that one will be out of here real soon. And then I just have 2 eyeshadow palettes left, and I think we are done with the haul, you guys. So I got the I Heart Revolution Chocolate S'mores eyeshadow palette. I had been eyeing this palette for the longest time. I think I've been eyeing this palette since like the summer of last year, and I just never picked it up because I kept telling myself I didn't need it. These colors are so basic, so plain. But again, I said I want to be doing some more traveling on the weekends and stuff, so I'm gonna need these sturdy palettes with nice mirrors and basic eyeshadow shades to take with me. So yeah, I just got this palette. These colors look really nice, actually. I hope they're nice and pigmented. I just wanted to try it out, so that's what it looks like. I got that. And then I also got the Tarte Tartelette Party eyeshadow palette. This is just a little mini that they come out with sometimes, and I just thought it was so cute. This is what the inside of it looks like. The shades are so pretty, and I love this packaging. It's actually like a party, and the shade names are really cute. So you have Cheers, After Party, Pop Bottles, Confetti, Playlist, and Last Call. I just thought this was so cute. Again, something else I didn't really need, but I just thought it was cute. And if I'm using somebody else's money to buy my makeup, then I feel like we're good. I can buy whatever I want, right? Yeah, that is everything that I got, my collective haul. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. If you want me to do any type of tutorial or something using these products, just let me know. I have gotten me a little notebook. I've gotten me a little planner. I've been writing things down. I've been writing down my filming schedule so I can try and stay on track and get these videos up for you guys. Happy New Year to you all. It is the start of 2020. I can't believe it. It's a new year. It is a new year. I'm a little bit late filming my videos. It's already like the 11th, the 12th. It's one of those days. It's already late in the new year, so I just needed to get some videos out. I'm filming today. I think I'm gonna film 3 videos today. So yeah, I hope you all had a great holiday season. I hope you spent a lot of time off work just chilling with your family. I hope you got everything that you wanted for Christmas. And if you like this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up and leave me a comment down below. Let me know you like the video. If you haven't yet, hit that subscribe button. Hit that button as well as the bell notification so that you are notified every single time that I upload a video. And I will see y'all in my next one. Peace.